Hey everyone, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show you how to add admin commands to your Roblox game. Let's enter the house. Okay, click on Toolbox. Here, select plugins and type call Cole's admin. You can also choose models. Yes, you can add it in models too. Click the first tab, hit OK, and you can delete this. Next, go to Config, Settings, and here are the roles. Yes, you can manage them. Here are the roles. Let's say moderator. Oh, administrator, right? You can add yourself here. Here's admin, and I'll enter the nickname of the future admin. In my case, it's my nickname. Click like this, then remove. Now I'll click play. And you'll see I instantly get the admin game creator role. That's all for now. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.